guys, Brendan here, aka Mr. Weaverface, and in this video I'm going to replace the LCD screen in my PSP. This is the 2001 model, and the issue with it, I got this on a recent pickup. Everything works fine with the PSP, but as you can see, the screen is kind of messed up there. I did try taking the casing off to see if there was some moisture kind of stuck between the front protective screen and the LCD screen, but that really didn't do anything. So I'm going to replace the LCD screen to get rid of this weird appearance to the screen. So let's get right to work. What we need to do is remove some batteries off of the back, and the main thing to do here is take off this piece here as well and take the battery out. Okay, so we got a few screws that we need to take out, and I got this kit right here. It came with a bunch of tools to replace the LCD screen. I got it on eBay for less than 14 bucks. So I'll put a link to that in the description below. But all these cool tools in here, looks like there's some guitar picks. But basically to kind of help pry the screen out and do random tasks. Alright, and one of the screwdrivers is a small Phillips head. And we're going to be removing 4 screws from the back side. So there's 2 here and 2 here. And then from the bottom side, there is a screw. And then there's also going to be 2 screws on the top side as well. So let's start taking all those screws out. Now regarding this bottom screw here, there's a void sticker that if you take it off, it voids the manufacturer warranty. But the screw is underneath that sticker, so I removed it, and you can put it back in if you want, but I just took it out, and because I'm not sending this back under a manufacturer warranty ever in its lifetime. But that's where that screw is. It's hidden under a sticker that you do have to remove. And one thing to mention is that the 2 screws on the top are of a different size than these 4 and the bottom one. So just keep these 5 together and these 2 separate, so you know what screws go where. Alright, so let's take off the front case. There we go. That's what the inside of the case looks like. Now I do want to replace this eventually, so if you can, I'll probably do another tutorial later on how to replace the casing, because I do want to replace this screen because it is scratched up and beat up. Alright, so this is what the inside of your PSP looks like. Looks awesome. So what we want to do is we want to carefully get the screen out, but before that we're going to move this button display out of here. It's kind of locked in there. This is my first time doing this, so there we go. There we go. So you want to remove, there's a little ribbon here, so don't rip it off. There's a ribbon here connecting the board to the button inputs. So Just have that down there loosely. Alright, so this is the crappy screen, and if you want to be, I would still be careful trying to remove it because you don't want to damage anything else on here. So let's use the tools they gave me, which don't seem, there's a little thing here. Oh, easy. Cool. So you just kind of, with this tool, you just kind of put it in with that direction and it should come out. These tools definitely make it a lot easier. I saw some videos of this and it looked a lot more difficult. Well, we're not done yet, so. We're almost there. There we go. Alright, so you're going to carefully push that down as so. And that looks awesome in there. So there's two switches we need to undo. That's these two ribbons. We need to disconnect those from those switches. Very carefully, this one is going to flip up in that direction, and this one is going to flip in this direction. And they're very gentle, so I'm hopefully going to do this without damaging it. So that one came right out. Oh, there it is. I was pulling at the wrong thing. So this is the one that comes up. Here we go. Alright, so that, I was just being extra gingerly about it. Because I was pulling on this black thing here, but it's actually the other black thing right above it. That's what flips up. Okay, so we're going to remove that. Comes out easy. There is our old screen. And this is the packaging I got with the new screen. Came in this box. And comparative wise, it's pretty much the same. Now there's a screen protector on there, so don't take it off quite yet. And just be careful not to get any fingerprints on it. Ultimately, it would be better if I was wearing like latex gloves for this. Alright, so now we want to get the ribbons back in there. Okay, this one's in. Okay, now I need to get the small one in. And be extra careful with the small one there. And don't use tweezers because that'll break the thing. Just gotta kind of. Ooh, we got it. Well, I don't know if it's all the way in, but. See, it's hard to tell if it's all the way in. Wish I had like something rubbery to kind of lead it in there. I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh, no. There are two tabs on the side to try to get it in there further. And that's as far in as I think it's going. So is that in? Seems like it's in. Let's turn it on and, well, battery's not in. Let's turn it on and see. Oh man, look at that. Bright, beautiful screen that's not messed up. Awesome. So that's a good way to check the functionality of the LCD screen before you put it all back together. Just put the battery back in briefly, hold it into place, turn it on real quick. Alright, so let's finish everything up, put the screen down, take the protective cover off, and everything else. The new screen doesn't feel as snug. It's definitely in place. I think it'll be fine though. And there's some dirt in here. Yeah, this thing was pretty dirty. I did clean it up a little bit before I did this video. Alright, let's take off the screen protector. Okay, let's take off the screen protector. replace the cover. There we go. Cool. All right, let's start screwing the screws back in. So now the moment of truth that we put everything back together completely. There's the white screen that had all that moisture damage to the original LCD screen, and now it is all gone with the new LCD screen replacement. So it's that easy, guys. I had a little difficulty getting the ribbons in and removed, but for the most part, this is my first time doing this. So I hope with this video, this helps you guys if you want to replace your LCD screen on your PSP. This is the 2001 model, remember. And hopefully this video does help you in doing that. So if you did like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video and feel free to comment in the comment section below. I'm Brendan, aka Mr. Weaverface. Take care.